How to add or install the extension on your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you where you can find the extension and from App Store how you can install it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. First let me open the Chrome browser. Okay guys, this is my Chrome browser and you can see this is my all extension. I have pinned it on top of toolbar. So you can also, you have to just go puzzle icon, and here you can see your all installed extension. You can pin it like this, so it will be appear here. Okay, you can also remove from here, and if you go to the manage extension, you will see all your extension here, and you can also deactivate from here and you can remove from here. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can install it and add from App Store. Just open your Chrome browser, just click on the three dot option here, go to the settings, and under on your left side there is a one option sidebar. Just click on this extension. Now you will come on this window, which is extensions window. Now just click on these three line options, and here you go to the click on open the Chrome Web Store. So here you can see the web stores. You have to log in with your email ID before you install any extensions, and here you just click on this extension icon, and now here you can search the any extension. Like you can search for like Google Translator. Okay, you can search Google Translate. Here you can see there is a from official website Google. This is a extension from the Google, so you can just click on it and you can add to Chrome. Then it will be download here, and now you have to ask you to is if you want to add to your extension. Okay, it is added by okay, so it says Google extension has been added to your Chrome, and if you want to synchronize it, you can on the synchronize. Okay, in case you synchronize off, it will be show like this. My synchronize is off already, that's why it is showing me like this, but it is already add. Okay, just click the into button. You can see, you will see this option after it's add, means it is already add. So now here you can see, go to the puzzle icon. Now you will see your all now you can see your installed extension here. Now you can pin it, so you can see on top of toolbar, so you can use as per your requirements. So there is a lots of extension in Web Store. You can search here as per your requirements, and it is uses for various purpose. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.